Okay guys, so we are gonna cook Lechon Kawali today. And we're gonna start off with some garlic. Okay. And let's just peel it off. Okay, next we are gonna cut some onions. Let's just use half of this. Okay, so alright, let's put, I got this boiling water here, well, almost boiling. So let's put all the onions and garlic here. All right, and then we are gonna put some salt and some pepper. Okay guys, so we have our pork belly here. So we are gonna toss this in. Hope that fits. There you go. And we'll just let that boil for, oh, we'll see, like 20 minutes or so. Guys, so it's ready. Let's turn this off. There goes the meat. There you go. And we'll leave that to air dry. Okay guys, so this is all dry and we are gonna cut it into pieces. Got the oil going, it's really hot, and let's put some in. so it's all cooked. We are gonna leave this to dry again. Just right here. And then we are gonna fry this up again to get it really crispy. Alright, and then let's put the last 4 in. There you go. So let's wait until this dry up, and then we'll re-cook it for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll let it dry up to be crispy. Okay guys, so this batch is about done, and let's dry them up. Let's fry this one more time. Just refry it. Okay guys, so fried it for about 3 minutes. Should be done. And then wait for them to dry, and it should be all ready. And let's just wait. So it's all dried up now, and let's cut them up. You can hear the crunch, how crispy it is. There we go. I'm actually gonna cut this one. This one looks better. Second batch looks better for some reason. Okay guys, here it is. So let's taste it. So good. It's like lechon. You can hear the crunchiness of that skin. And soft too. There you go, guys. Alright guys, if you want to see more food related video, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please like it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.